Looking for a power supply that can handle the most demanding setups without breaking a sweat? The EVGA SuperNOVA 1300 G2 delivers 1300 watts of continuous power, backed by an 80+ gold efficiency rating. That means it not only powers your rig reliably but does so while saving energy and reducing heat. Fully modular design keeps your build clean and airflow optimized, exactly what enthusiasts want when pushing their systems to the limit. What really sets the SuperNOVA 1300 G2 apart is its reputation for durability and peace of mind. EVGA offers a first-class 10-year warranty, showing they stand behind this PSU for the long haul. Take it from users who have trusted this unit for years. One reviewer shared how their SuperNOVA 1300 G2 has powered multiple GPU upgrades, from a 295x2 to a 1080 Ti and now a 3090 Ti, all running with 16 fans and plenty of hard drives inside a Corsair 1000D case. After nearly a decade of near 24/7 use, it's still going strong with zero issues. That kind of reliability isn't just a claim. It's proven in real-world builds. Inside the box, you get everything needed to get your system powered up right away: ATX, EPS, PCIe, SATA, and peripheral cables, plus a floppy adapter and even a power supply tester for peace of mind during installation. This package is designed to fit seamlessly into your build, no matter how complex. If you're serious about your PC's power and want a solution that grows with your system, the EVGA SuperNOVA 1300 G2 is worth a look. It's built for enthusiasts who demand consistent performance, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your power supply and experience what a premium PSU can do for your rig.